Hej, vet du, vi är tillbaka. Vi ska göra en ny video men vi ska sjunga Just Leave Us Nothing Like Us. Det som vi gjort Selena Gomez. Ja.
Och det var länge sedan också. Nu har vi blivit stora.
Alltså, vi var typ lite mindre och gamla. Nu börjar vi. Den är jättesorglig men den är jättebra. Jag lovar. Bara lyssna.
Lady, I'm thank you that we had. I know it's hard to all that we knew, yeah. Have you been drinking to take all the pain away? I wish that I could give you what you deserve. Nothing can ever replace you. Nothing can make me feel like you do. You know there's no one I can relate to. I know we won't find this love that's so true. There's nothing like us. There's nothing like you and me together through the storm. There's nothing like us. There's nothing like you and me together. I gave you everything, everything I needed. Why would you push me away? Lost in confusion, like a illusion. You know I'm used to making your day. That is the past now. We didn't last now.